Hey guys, this is Sejal Jain and I'm a digital content creator. आज मैंने सोचा कि I will take you guys through how I spend my entire typical day. So let's begin. So it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm an early riser. मुझे अच्छा लगता है जल्दी उठ के अपने सारे काम खत्म करना जितने मैं कर पाऊँ from my to-do list. मैं दो हैट्स पहनती हूँ, one of a physiotherapist and other of a lifestyle blogger. So the extra hours I get because of waking up early really works for me. So I generally alternate my days between seeing patients and shooting. Today is my shoot day, so I'm gonna prep up my hair with Sunsilk shampoo which has keratin yogurt. So I'm done with my shower and now it's the time for the favorite part of my day, which is preparing and having breakfast. So I keep my breakfast generally filling because I don't have any specific lunch time when I'm not at home. So I carry healthy lunches जब मैं shoot पे जाती हूँ या even if there are patients. So I keep it light in between. Oh, by the way, I make the best cheese corn toast. So now I'm done with my reports and अभी ready होना है और shoot के लिए निकलना है. Let's go. When blogging was very nascent in India, I had this strong calling from my passion towards fashion, beauty, content creation. So that's the time when I started posting with a purpose and Glam Protocol came into picture. When I started blogging, one thing was very clear in my head that I'm not going to stop doing physiotherapy. From a full-time job, I started going alternate days and on consultation basis. Time can depend on the workflow, but definitely there is no quitting. We are not made to have only one dream or only have one job. We can have multiple dreams. As long as we are able to balance, fulfill and justify, we can do all of them. Best thing about making your passion your profession is that you're always excited, motivated, and you definitely don't get exhausted very easily. Whenever you start something new, you're always gonna face some kind of challenges or hurdles coming your way. मेरे केस में दोनों professions are like poles apart. So initially I kept it very low. मुझे ऐसे लगता था my patients or colleagues will not take me seriously as a medical professional if I tell them about it. धीरे धीरे पेज ग्रो होने लगा, न्यूज़पेपर या एड्स में आर्टिकल्स आने लगे. They came to know and they were very excited and they started supporting me in every possible way. They used to take care of my patients in my absence. At the same time, even when patients came to know about it, they used to help me in some or the other way. But on the other side, there have been relatives and friends, who used to say, "तू दोनों profession नहीं balance कर पाएगी. You will have to select one eventually." It is not a cakewalk, not at all. But it has been fun to prove everyone wrong since past 7 years. I'm here to stay, come what may. So it's evening and I'm done with my work. Generally this time I spend with my family or I just come to my garden to have some me time, basically to chill and relax. I love listening to music and I carry my diary along with me. जिसमें मैं लिखती हूँ जो मैंने सीखा है या जो मैंने मिस आउट किया है, सो वो मेरे साथ हमेशा रहेगा एंड इट विल हेल्प मी इन माई पर्सनल ग्रोथ. Women in India have changed over a period of time. They have understood how important it is to be financially independent. Since my 3rd year of medicine, I have been independent. I don't remember a single day asking a single rupee from my parents. In fact, since I'm in a medical field, I make sure that whenever it's health related issues, I am there for them. That makes me responsible and proud. I would like to go back and tell my younger self that don't hesitate in designing the journey that suits you. Also be kind to yourself and make sure that you enjoy the whole process. After all, it's your lifelong journey. So now I'm done with dinner, sat with family, relax kar liya thoda, and now it's the time for some nighttime skincare regime and then I'm gonna hit the bed. So that's it from me. It's already 12. मैं generally 11:30-12 बजे तक सो जाती हूँ. And so I'll end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for joining in. Good night.